Living in Dubai and want to streamline your public transport payments? Adding your Nol Card to Apple Wallet can make your daily commute much easier. In this guide, I'll show you how to add your Nol Card to Apple Wallet. As of mid-2025, directly adding your physical Nol Card to Apple Wallet for tap-to-pay functionality has become available through the official Nol Pay app from Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority, RTA. This highly anticipated feature allows for a more seamless public transport experience. To add your Nol Card to Apple Wallet, first download and open the official Nol Pay app from the App Store on your iPhone. Log in or register an account. Within the Nol Pay app, look for a Nol Services or My Cards section. You should find an option to digitize my physical Nol Card or add to Apple Wallet. You'll typically need to place your physical Nol Card on the back of your iPhone for the app to read its details via NFC and transfer the balance. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the transfer and add the digital Nol Card to your Apple Wallet. Once successfully added, you can simply tap your iPhone or Apple Watch at Nol Card readers, at metro gates, buses, and trams for convenient travel, and there you have it. Adding your Nol Card to Apple Wallet makes Dubai transit easier. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.